How to recover hacked Steam account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your Steam account has been hacked, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can recover it. The first step is to open up a web browser and go to Steam support. So click on this very first website and now you are on the Steam support. Now here you want to scroll down and click on My Account. Then scroll down and click on the option that says Help me sign in my account. Then click on Log Out and go to Account Recovery. Now you want to click on My account was stolen and I need to recover it. Now here scroll all the way down and then you need to reset your password. So click on this option. Now before changing your password, you will have to enter your email address. So enter that and then click on the search button. Here, the email address might also have been compromised by the hacker, so you want to select the second option that you have no longer access to your email ID. Now you simply have to enter the email ID that you have access of. So enter another email ID over here. Now you need to enter your username over here, so go ahead and do that. After this, it is also going to ask you about the first email that you used on your Steam account, so enter that as well. Then you need to enter the phone number that was associated with your account, so go ahead and enter that as well. Then after entering this option, you will have to type in the description over here. So here you want to include all the details about your account, such as the recent games you have purchased or any other details that might help you to recover your account quickly. After all of those details have been entered, you want to click on I am not a robot option. Then you want to click on the send button. Then the team support will help you recover your hacked Steam account as soon as possible. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.